Today's topic is IoT. In other words, it is called as Internet of Things. Now, if you see, this plays a vital role in our life. The question is, why? Because with that Internet of Things, we can do many things, or many things from our daily life has become very quick and efficient. Now, what it is? Internet of Things is a network of a physical objects embedded with sensors, software, and communication technology. So, which will enable them to connect the internet and exchange the data automatically without direct human involvement. Now, it focuses on connecting everyday physical objects such as devices, machines, and system to computer networks, enables real-time data collection, monitoring, and automatic action, and so on. As it also improves efficiency, accuracy, and convenience in daily life and industrial application. The sensor which are there, they collect the data and send it via network to edge or cloud systems where the data is processed and analyzed, and the results are delivered to users through apps or used to automatically drive actuators and system. Now, what are the components of IoT system? An IoT system is built using multiple interconnected components that work together to sense data, process data, transmit it over networks, and present useful information to user or trigger action automatically. Now, IoT devices or things is like physical objects such as appliances, machines, vehicles, or variables that sense data from the environment or perform the functions. Sensors and actuators, they are the sensors collect environmental data like temperature, motion, light, while actuators convert the digital signals into physical actions. Embedded processing units are microcontrollers or microprocessors that processes sensor data, execute control logic, and manage device operation. Connectivity models like enables devices to communicate over a network using technologies such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular networks, etc. IoT gateways again aggregate the data from multiple devices, perform a protocol translation, and secure transmit data to cloud or edge platforms. Now, cloud and edge computing, its cloud platforms store and analyze large IoT data, while edge computing processes the data near the source to reduce latency. Last is user interface and application like dashboards, mobile apps, or web interfaces that allow user to monitor data, control devices, and receive alerts. If you see, have a glance on a IoT structure or IoT architecture, which we say it starts from sensing layer, then transport or network layer, then called as processing or middleware layer, and last one is application layer. Now, sensing layer will do data flow and control flow. It is like if you see a sensing layer is a data gathering, transport or network layer is data transmission, the processing or the middleware layer is process information, and application layer is nothing but a smart application. Now, role of a sensors, as I said, they are detect physical and chemical or biological parameters from the environment and convert them into digital data. Types of sensor, as I said, temperature sensor, image sensor, gyro sensor, obstacle, RF, IR, LDR, ultrasonic. These are the different sensors which I use. This completes IoT.